Hey guys, Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And this weekend we are in Cortland, Ohio at Mosquito Lake State Park.
We're here for our 4th annual Casita Owners of Ohio Spring Kickoff Fiberglass Egg Rally.
Yep.
Let's see, we're gonna have, I don't know how many people we're gonna have. We have, I think, about 25, 26 sites booked. I know we had a couple cancellations already, a couple people added on last minute, so we'll see what we end up with. But we're looking forward to a great weekend, meeting some new friends, fellow Fiberglass campers.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
What else we got going
on? Hopefully the weather is decent. It looks like a couple days of 70, maybe a little bit of rain Saturday morning, but hopefully early, and then it'll be done with. I don't know, probably go.
Really nice right now. I don't know, it's a little chilly, but we're planning on going for a bike ride today, go explore a little bit. What's that trail?
Is it Western Reserve Trail? I don't know.
We'll tell you at the end. I think it's Sunny Side or something. I don't know. We'll tell you at the end. Go for a bike ride on the trail and, I don't know, enjoy our weekend. So I guess we'll see you at the end.
Yep, see you on the other side. Alright, so we just did a little bike ride.
So this is Sunside Trailhead, Western Reserve Greenway Trail, part of the Trumbull County Metro Parks. And we went about 10-11 miles.
10-11 miles, yeah.
You know, out and then back, 10-11 total. Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Gorgeous out.
We were riding our Lectric E-bikes. We have the XP Lite. I really like them. Yeah,
I'm so excited we did it. I mean, there's no way, you know, I could have rode that much without it.
Yeah.
I pedaled most of the way. I pedaled a lot. Our battery didn't go down too much.
No.
Really just one little thing. Yeah. One, maybe 2 lines. I don't know. Other than that, I just wanted to share that with you.
Definitely recommend it.
Yeah, highly recommend those electric bikes. And this is a beautiful trail. We think it was an eagle's nest. It was huge. It had to be an eagle's nest. It was so big up there. Looked like something was in it, but it was so far away we couldn't really, you know, see for sure. But there's definitely something moving up there. So, yeah, if you're into that, check it out. And I guess we'll catch up with you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Day could be a holiday. The pressure man needs just a call away. And when that golly gonna come around, and when it comes, we're gonna bite it down. He don't stay here for a long time, but when it comes, we'll have a good time. And we could stay right here all day. And I just wanted to hear him say, lift me up. Said I just got a brand new bag. Lift me up now. Yeah, I think I need another drag. Lift me up. Yeah, lead me around the back. Tomorrow comes and we have run dry. I only need to call him one time. It don't take long for him to show. And when it comes, you know we're gonna do. He don't stay here for a long time, but when it comes, we'll have a good time. last year I was carefree. You had your head on my knees. I had no reason to think I need a thing but you and me. But it never works like the movies. I never know what I'm doing. Self-sabotage is my whole thing. So I'll be calling and you'll be free. And if it means a thing, fuck all that shit that I said. Don't let it get to your head. 'Cause now I'd love to be home and watching cartoons in our bed. I still push off therapy, gave in to the enemy. I wish I'd known that it was me. 'Cause I go up, down, somehow haven't found a way out. Empty rooms have a sound. Wish that you were around. Empty rooms have a sound. Wish that you were around. Up, down, somehow haven't found a way out. Empty rooms have a sound. Wish that you were around.
Hey guys, we're back. We had an awesome weekend.
Exhausting weekend.
Exhausting. We are tired. We are tired. It was so much fun though. We just want to thank everybody for coming out. We ended up with 32 sites booked, 20 casitas. We had a couple Olivers, a couple Escapes, a bowler.
Cortez, we had a couple of those.
Cortez.
Kim came all the way from Florida with hers.
Yep, thanks for coming up, Kim.
Yep.
We just missed one. I know we missed one. Couple scams.
Yeah, scams.
We had an awesome time. Saturday, potluck was great. All the food, thank you, everybody. Yeah, it was unbelievable. There was so much food.
We got to see a lot of people, you know, that we know and good friends we've made, and we've made new friends this weekend.
Yep.
It's nice getting to, you know, be able to put the faces to the names of the, you know, people that you talk to online, so you finally get to meet them.
And you start to see a couple, like a few times in a row, and now, making some good friends. It's great.
We enjoyed it.
Everybody's so nice. What else did we do? We went out to lunch the one day, Monty's. Shout out to Paul at Monty's.
Yes.
Awesome food. Highly check them out.
Yes.
It's only about 10 minutes from here.
Yeah, it's right up the road from the campground.
Yeah,
so
not far. So
check it out.
Check that out if you're in the area. That was really good. I don't know. We sat around, had fires every night, sat around, enjoyed good company, and I guess that's about it, really.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go home and take a nap.
Yep. After we unload.
Oh God, thanks for reminding me.
And laundry.
Yes.
There's always laundry.
Yes.
But again, thank you everybody. We just had a great weekend.
Yes.
So as always, safe travels and
keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye.
Bye.